Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. If you have not already installed the Snap Package Manager on Ubuntu system, you will need to install this. You can do this by the following command. When the Snap Package Manager is installed, you can install RubyMine using the Snap, open a terminal and run the following command. You will need some time for installation. Once the installation is complete, you can launch RubyMine from the terminal or from the application menu. Desktop and look in there for RubyMine. Now you can activate it and working with this. If you have any question, leave them in comments.